Good morning, students. So let's start with the new topic, that is where we use is, am and are. These are helping verbs, students. So let's see where we use is, am and. First of all, let's start with the use of am. Where we use am. So students, am is always used with I. Am is always used with I. That means when a sentence is started with I, then we use am. So let's study some examples. So first is I am a girl. I am a girl. So this is here am. Second is I am going to school. I am going to school. Third, I am happy. Fourth, I am reading a book. Fifth sentence, I am a teacher. Sixth sentence, I am eating fruit. Seventh sentence, I am brushing my teeth. Eighth sentence, I am playing football. And the last sentence is, I am a good student. So students, where we are using am, we are using am with I. We always use am with I. Now next, where we use is. Where we use is. Is always used with singular nouns and pronouns. When we talk about singular means one. When there is one person, place, animal, thing or one pronoun word, then there we use is. For example, Sirat is a good girl. So here Sirat is one. So we are using is. She is learning well in class. As we all know that we use she for girl. In pronoun we use she for girl. So here also we are using is. With she we are using is because we are talking about single girl, one girl. Now next, Aman is playing with his friend. Now name is there, noun and singular. One person is this. Aman is one person here. So we are using is. Aman is playing with his friend. Now next, he. As we know that we use he with he for pronoun, that is for boy. He is used as pronoun. So he is doing his work. Again, one person we are using is. Lion is wild animal. Lion is a wild animal. So again with lion, single animal, one animal. So we are using here is. It is a beautiful place. As we know that we can use it for animal and birds also, for things also. So here we are talking about a single place. So with singular we always use is. Now the last sentence, students, there is hot coffee in the cup. So again here also we are using is, as it is in singular form, that is hot coffee. One coffee cup is there, so we are using here is. So now clear, students, when there is singular, single, that is one person, either in the form of noun or pronoun, we always use is. Now last, where we use are. Are is always used with plural nouns and pronouns and with you. It is very important, students. We always use are with plural nouns and pronouns. Plural means more than one. More than one we use are. So let's study some examples. Birds are flying in the sky. So here, student, birds. Many birds are there. Here we are not talking about single bird. Many birds are there. So birds are flying in the sky. So here birds, plural, that is why we are using are. Now next, The girls are in the class. Again, many girls are there, plural. So we are using here are. The girls are in the class. You are late. As we have done that, we always use are with you. So you are late. Soham and I, again two persons are there, more than one. Where there is more than one person, we use are. Soham and I are in the same class. So do not confuse here with I, students. Do not put here am, because because in this sentence there are two persons. Soham and I are in the same class. So more than one, that is why we are using here are. These books are new. Again, more than one books. So we are using here are. The bread and knife, two things. The bread and knife are on the table. So now it is clear, students, that where we use are with plural. So am, I is with singular and are with you and plural. Students, so there is one worksheet for you and you are supposed to do this worksheet. Okay,